Out of my way, Jumbo.
The main reason why Khalid Bajwa's behavior was wrong is that he was using his title as Pਟاری CEO to form these inappropriate relationships with women. One woman who spoke to Images told us that Bajwa tried to entice girls with weird perks related to Pਟاری. Another said Bajwa began to behave inappropriately after she contacted him in a work context. Now, this is clearly a misuse of power and authority. You cannot mix your professional life and your personal desires in this way. It's a clear case of professional misconduct.
The fact that 3 women have had the courage to come out and speak about the harassment they faced by the CEO of Pਟاری, Khalid Bajwa, and that he was forced to resign as a consequence points to an important shift. This can be viewed as part of a global trend following the Me Too movement. But it is also the result of the hard work of women's rights activists in Pakistan over the past decades. We are finally starting to see the fruits of those efforts now. At the same time, we should keep in mind that these are just 3 women who are coming from a relatively privileged class. The vast majority of women are still unable to speak up when they experience harassment, and many still blame themselves.